Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Indus Trader YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to see FII data analysis by using fortnight sector-wise FPI investment data. So in this video, we're going to see how to take this data from both depository websites from NSDL as well as CDSL and how to analyze this data. I'm going to explain everything out in this video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So yes guys, welcome back. Here you can see in my Excel I have taken the data of FIIs. This is sector wise data where the FIIs have been invested in 15 days. Okay, this is the fortnight data where we get every 15 days. So in this video I'm going to also show you how to download this data and how to arrange it and how to analyze this data. My video intention is like you should able to download this data every fortnight and you can analyze by yourself. So that's the reason we have, that's why I'm gonna to record everything in the video, how to download it and how to arrange this. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This data we can get from both the websites, both the depositories, as I explained earlier, NSDL or and CDSL. So before that, if you have not yet subscribed to the Indus Trader YouTube channel, please do subscribe it and press the bell icon next to it. So let's open NSDL first. So simply search NSDL and you will get the official website, that is nsdl.co.in, and simply open that website. And if you open, this is the UI of the website. Just simply scroll down and you see a FPI statistics. And guys, this is very important website. Like if you want more videos on this website, you can get delivery data and you can get lot of information from this site. Like if you are expecting more videos on this particular website, then let me know, comment below in the comment section, so that I will make more videos on this particular website. So you just click on FPI statistics, and after clicking FPI statistics, you can see here we have got some options like latest, current month, archive, FPI investment details calendar year, FPI investment details financial year, and fortnight sector wise data FPI investment, which we are talking about now. And issues, if you see asset under custody, AUC, and if you click here, you can see, let me select here, these are the top 10 countries which are investing in our Indian market. So you can clearly see this is United States, Singapore, and followed by these are the top 10 countries. So let me get back, and hope you have understood this. And coming to latest, you get the latest FPI FIS investment data. Current month is this particular month. Date wise you will get it. Let me scroll down. Yes guys, you can see here 25th November. The date is to 25th November today, and you can see equity, depth, VRR, hybrid. So we usually focus on equity. So you can see stock exchange, and these are the values. Primary market 0, subtotal. So if you focus on this is the data. And if you are interested to know how to calculate and how to understand this data, let me know. So I will make a dedicated video for this. So now coming to, this is monthly, and you can even see calendar year or financial year. So let me show you the financial year by clicking on financial. And if you calculate this calendar year, January, from January to June, if you see, especially in the equity, FIS are on the sell sides. They are continuously selling till the June, and from July you can see they are turned to a buyers now. And if you see, especially in the August, we came to know that FIIs are again started buying here. And in the September months, you can see minus 7624 7624 crores, which is, I say, some sort of profit booking, you can say. and October, and again if you see the November, they again invested 31,630 crores. So this is calendar year data where you can see monthly, like monthly overall data, whether FIIs are net buyers or net sellers, you can calculate here. Now coming to again click on this FPI investments on the top, and our important, the hero of this video is the fortnight sector wise FPI investment data. So simply click on it, and if you click on it you can see every 15 days. Fortnight is nothing but in English it's like 15 days. So you have previous past data as well, and coming to latest data. So November 15th, just 10 days before, and if you wait for 5 more days you can get November 30th also. So November 15th, click on view report. So if you click on view report, you get lot of data here, so don't get confused. Let me explain you very easily. So AUC, what is AUC? So AUC is nothing but asset under custody. This is November 31st, and this is 16th 16th to 31st. Okay, and these are the previous data. So just scroll right side and you will get the latest data, that is November 15th. Okay, so here we have net investor November from 1st to 15th data. So we have to analyze this data. Simply you can see in equity 2251. In which sector? Let me see that. This is auto and mobile components. Okay, just come to net 16 to 31 of October. If you see 1477, just go back, and these two dates, if you see, they are increasing their investments in this particular sector from 1477 to 2251. So we see they are increasing the quantity. Same in the capital goods, if you see 525, and here you can see 1640, 1640. So is there any sector that they are booking their profits? So simply if you see, this is one sector, they are booking their profits, or they are not, they are releasing their quantity, that is power sector. And one more sector, if you see, this is textile sector. And again compare this with the previous 15 days data. See, this is important. October 1631, in the power power sector, they are long, means they have invested 654 crores. And coming to this fortnight data, they have been in negative minus 162 crores. So this is helpful to you. So which sector, especially if you see oil, gas and consumer fuels, they are in the October, if you see, they are minus 497, but coming to this latest data, they are positive of 1765 crores they have invested. So which means they are bullish on this oil, gas and consumable fuels. There is one more reason they are being long in this sector is they especially if you see our equity market, oil and gas, this sector, almost profit making companies give good amount of dividend. So this might be one more reason. This is my personal view. Okay, and coming to, you can also see this information IT 2610 to, they have invested 3500 crores. So you can analyze data like this. And coming to how to save this, simply select all the data up to here, control C, open your Excel, simply paste. Coming to, usually if you paste like this, in the W column you will get the latest data. If not, you can also reconfirm it. See, in the equity net investment, you have to see the net investment of 1 to 15th. See, equity is in the first sector, that is automobiles and auto components. It is 2251, and let me show you that here 2231. So remaining, you simply delete the other columns. You don't want this data, and in the similar way delete this data even. So yes, now you can see. See, this is the final data. So you can simply make your Excel sheet like this. So by saying this data, you can simply say that they are bullish on this automobile and auto components. They are continuously increasing their investments on this sector. I have also shown in the analysis also. And coming to other sectors, you can also see consumer durables minus 436. And if you see, highest is this itself, like in the minus. They are booking their profits in consumer durables, and the remaining, you can see all the data here. And coming to, I'm going to also show you the CDSL website, how to download this. You can download from both the websites. In CDSL, simply search CDSL, and cdslindia.com is the official website. And once you open, you will see a publications of a publication tab here. Simply place a cursor here, and you will get invest foreign portfolio investors FPI investments. Simply click on it, and there you get same options where you get here. Let me show you. NSDL. See, you have the same options here and there as well. And I'm gonna to give both the links here. And simply Fortnite sector-wise FIP, sorry, FPI, and select the latest date, and see, you get the same data there. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel, because we post regular updates about the market and our view. And I also share some important strategies here, like this is the zero strategy I have shared in this channel. This is my premium channel where I share my personal swing calls as well. You can see recently I have shared two nifty calls here. And I also share some stocks as well for the investment and swing trades. You can see Bank of Baroda I have also explained in the previous video. So if you want to join the premium channel, just open a Demat account by using our link. And that's it for this video, guys, and see you in the next video. Until then, signing off. Jai Hind.
Fearless.